Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can save an image from Instagram's direct message to your phone's gallery. So to do that, select direct messages on the top right corner and select the sort of like message that you want. Well, there's like the picture you want to save, if you understand what I mean. And then press on the picture for a few seconds until this pops up. Press more and press save. That is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!